check out this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Interior Plus package, convenience package, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, LPO, bed rail protectors, rear vision camera, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer, LPO, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 oval, Z71 appearance package, suspension package, off-road and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.